Okay, so you may have been plagued by fruit flies like I have been in my house this summer so far, well, summer that we can call it. So this is a simple way around it. What you do is you get some beer and you put it in a glass. That's enough. And then you take some cling film, put it over the top of it, stretch it tight over the top. Okay? And then we get a pencil. And you can see it's tightly over the top, and you punch holes in it. So you can see there it is. It's a nice little trap for fruit flies. Now, just leave it there on the side by your fruit or whatever, and you'll find, like this one, which I made earlier on, you'll get lots of fruit flies. This is half an hour, and I've got lots of fruit flies in there. And that's the easiest way to get rid of them. Just leave it out for 2-3 days, and you'll get dozens in there, all dead. Thanks very much. Please subscribe and give me a like if you like this thing. So you put the beer in, you stretch cling film over, you punch holes in it like that. The flies can't resist it, and there they are, lots of them in there drowning. Thank you very much.